We are very pleased that the British government and the Afghan government have reaffirmed their commitment to the important independent and complementary role that civil society have been playing and will be playing. Over the past 13 years, the government and civil society of Afghanistan, with the generous and continuous support of the international community, have accomplished a great deal. Education and healthcare services for all Afghans have improved. We are especially proud of the fact that in many cases, women students are at the top of their classes. The number of professional staff within the judiciary system have been increased, which directly affected the court decision. Civil society has played an important and active role even outside the big cities to allow the Afghan citizens to have access to justice by provision of legal aid, legal awareness, health services, education, and establish a link between the national and subnational communities. Excellencies, security and corruption are still big issues in our country, which have affected the entire system in the country, and lack of access to rural areas, both by government and civil society, to provide basic services. Lack of access to justice is another serious impediment for everyone, as limited legal aid services enabling to access district or provincial courts. The Afghan government must work to ensure the implementation of Presidential Decree 45, which mandate that all inactive courts be activated and fully staffed with professionals, in particular women professionals. Civil society supports the word of our new First Lady, shared at Oslo Conference, that we all have a collective responsibility to let Afghan women know that they are and should be productive members of their society. As a woman activist, as a woman rights activist, I know that defending women's rights is not only about defending women's rights, also very much about defending all those human beings. We say in Dari, "Qatra qatra darya misha," meaning that drop by drop river is made. But it's time now for a more sincerely committed government to act in partnership with civil society, and we welcome Dr. Abdullah's public commitment to this to speed up the process and achieve lasting changes. Government should support human rights, the provision of education, and employment opportunities, especially for young people, and the well-being of refugees and IDPs in the society. How do you think your government and the rest of the international community can make and support these changes? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I would like to emphasize that in the last decade, we have achieved a lot, but there is still a long way to go. There's still a long way to go and bring more changes. And we must say that nothing would happen if there was no support from the international community. We would welcome your reassurance that this will continue both for Afghan government and civil society. Thank you.